based in Coimbatore and has a partnership with Thailand-based Rockford Group. Mr. Sudhakaran has 18 plus years of experience in the construction industry. Wonder INC has distinguished clients who hail from elite sectors such as banking, healthcare, IT, corporate, private, and public institutions. The company also has its operation across all the states of southern India. Welcome you, sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so my question is to you, what kind of personality traits do you believe a civil engineer needs to be successful? Please share your experience about this.
Yeah, first of all, I start with a warm good afternoon with all the people most interested in this department, and hearty happy birthday to Jaslin madam, right? Singh madam.
Right.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
and that is the question is right time it was asked that the people are waiting for to take a decision, right? So I felt like this what kind of a person in this world, civil engineer itself, it is there. Why? Because civil is talking about the people, engineer is talking about the engine is there, right? So you are the person actively work to satisfy the civilization people. You are the right engineer, and also the engineering things will move to level and year to year it's possible on many of the things. So a updated mobile version it useful to the young generation. Same way you also updated yourself the market trend and also the material. I think he's the right person. The major thing what I learned my experience, we need to understand the heart of a people. What is the expectation or need of the person? Then we are the right engineer in this generation. I felt like this.
Yes, sir. Very true, sir. Sir, one more question is to you. That what are the biggest challenges you believe civil engineering faces in industry?
I'm not able to hear you properly. One second, please.
Yes, sir. So I'm saying ki, what are the biggest challenges that you
Yeah.
believe civil engineering faces in industry?
So what is my assumption about that industry? No, every industry is finally come to our industry only. Why? Because even you're talking about any man, they want to marry and build a house, right? They want to marry and build a. I think every industry is end with our industry. I think we are the crown of this industry. I think so. Many of the people raise their hands and clap their hands. I think so. It is a thing. Then what exactly is needed on this scenario? No, that the people. I think your department civil professor having one small presentation of how this that things move. I think Mr. Fenny is having something one small presentation about what is the
Yes.
scenarios changes. Mr. Fenny, can you help me
Yeah,
on this?
yeah,
Penny sir, are you here?
yeah.
Okay.
One small presentation of what is going on in the industry, then we know that what is the strategy to be taken care of that. Uh, Fenny, can you please?
Yes. Yeah.
One
One
small presentation of small video of how
Yeah.
that scenarios changes. So so before Finny, I just have a word. What we are doing,
Yes.
I really happy to meet our Bagra in person. Why? Because we are also in the same industry. Without cement, without sand, and without TMD rod, we are building that buildings. It's a eco-friendly buildings like a fiber cement board. And this is just third and fourth generation of the building industry. Finny, are you ready? Yeah. Finny is not ready. Just Finny.
Penny sir?
Yeah. what we are trying to say is that
I
we starts with stones of rock and other things. The industry was started like this. Then it yeah, it started. Finish, right? Yeah. Yeah, we have to be continue our talk, and then he joined with us that we need to learn some new scenarios to be taken care of the satisfaction of the client's mind. Then we will be the person able to solve all the hits and buts it's coming on our career path. Why? Because Finney is not able to take that. Why? The stone started to the cement, and cement it's moved to the fiber cement board, and fiber cement board now we collaborate with the fiber cement board and the steel structures. The next and eco-friendly buildings are coming up. So you are the person day to day one. You have to be learn and then understand what is available in the your market area or in your nation. Then use the buildings. You will see that the greatest changes will be able to manage. Normally in the YouTube, that nature eco-friendly homes are so much of views within a time limit. I have some list of records also with me. So the engineer is a person to they have to be understand the need of the client and also get it the things done what is available in that thing, an upgradation that will make a sense in our life. I think it's more sufficient.
Yes, sir. True. Very true. Sir, I will ask you question once I'll get the question in the chat box. So students, please post your questions regarding civil engineering or any other issue related because we have a very great panelist. So you just use this opportunity very well. Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your experience, telling about your experience.
Thank you very much, ILM team. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we have with us Dr. Bhagyashree Kode, ma'am. Ma'am, are you here? Welcome,
Yes.
ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Dr. Bhagyashree Kode, with a highly elite academic record, also had a stunning career throughout. Her interest for the conservation of environment led her to pursue her doctorate and thereafter indulge in many research that focuses and majors on studying environmental impact assessment. She has also published many papers and attended conferences, seminars. Her publication include a long list of her contribution in many journals and books. She has held the most honorable position of DSP scientist in CSIR. We are very happy to have you, ma'am, with us. Ma'am, I just want to ask, generally, engineering students are not aware about CSIR labs. So how students can they pursue their higher studies like MTech or PhD from CSIR lab? Can you elaborate this in the procedure or related the eligibility criteria, the requirements related to that?
Yes, I can elaborate, but yes, Nowadays generation is so advanced and fast that no need to tell them eligibility and procedures and so many things. If I wanted to tell means how to connect with this type of websites, how to connect with this type of web pages is a very much sufficient, I think. So not only with the CSR labs, but I am interested to take them to all the types of government organizations where they can get the ideas of especially environmental science. See, Mr. Sudhakar sir and Mr. Shankar sir both have talked about eco-friendly working and sustainable environment. So this can be possible only when the environmental science is incorporated in your engineering um, work, right? So sustainable only they will get with the environmental work, and yes, eco-friendly work also they will find it over here. But before starting, let me thanks IILM for giving this chance to guide the students as per your wish. Yes, and of course mm, Dr. Jyotsna Singh, many happy returns of the day, and thank you, Ms. Shraddha, for this brief interaction. Um, I'll be starting with this small point that with the CSR labs, if suppose you wanted to enter, now it is very easy way to enter into the CSR labs for getting education. That is because the Academy of CSIR, that is ACSIR, has been working from last 2 to 3 years. So students can acquire so many of things that from where they can get the